Everybody. So the computer room is an absolute train wreck right now. From a combination of working on a couple of different projects. Also, I've used this room as a carpentry room for the past couple of days or so, as I have put together this piece of furniture here, courtesy of Nick's HackJob Furniture Company. So you can see I have pulled this table out of here and built this thing. And you're thinking, oh, what's this going to be for? Well, it gave me some horizontal space to store more crap on, but we're getting something new in here, boys and girls. And I think I talked about this in a previous update video. So, very soon a 3D printer is coming to the computer room. So yes, I'm going to have a 3D printer in here finally. So, for those who weren't familiar, I actually have been working with 3D printers for about the past few years roughly. At my place of work at a community college, we have 3D printers, and the past couple of years I've been spending more time messing with them and printing stuff and all the good stuff. So it's about time that I get a 3D printer for myself. Also, my mom has been begging me to get one since she has been interested in 3D printing once she learned about it, because there's so much stuff you can do with 3D printers. But yeah, very soon I'm going to have a 3D printer right here in the computer room. Definitely looking forward to it. And once I get everything settled in, I'm going to have to clean this room up for sure, because it's a disaster right now. It's really, really nasty. Well, I can't say nasty, it's just junky. Got stuff sitting everywhere. So, anyways, that was a quick little video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.